It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Bluetooth streaming audio, Ford Pass Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Ford Pass Connect remote engine start smart device, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and smartphone wireless charging. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At Sam Pack's 5-Star Ford, every vehicle we sell is thoroughly inspected before you buy. Come see us today. We're conveniently located on the Northeast Loop 820 at Root Snow Drive in North Richland Hills.